Good morning everyone, it's day 5 here in Australia. Beautiful weather as always, and I thought I'd show you what I get up to every morning. Here we go. So I'm usually up about 7:15. I go out for a jog down to the local beach. Takes me about half an hour there and back roughly, so not too bad. And then when I get back and I've stretched, I start my day's chores. So before I got here, a couple of days, there was a big storm, and sadly it's put a lot of mud, dirt and sand into our swimming pool, meaning that I can't go swimming, which is a bit upsetting. So our main job each morning is cleaning the pool, so I thought I'd show you what I have to do and what that entails. So if I bring you over here, this is my view of a morning as well. Not too bad. So here's our swimming pool. It doesn't look too bad this morning. It was an awful lot worse when I arrived and over the last couple of days, but today's quite a good day. If I come over here, you can see these steps. They're not meant to be that colour. That's all sand and dirt on there. So, the first job is to take this and literally hoover the pool. So you've got to be nice and slow so you don't kick up all the sand into the water. And make sure you get as much of it vacuumed up as possible. And then all of this goes straight to the filter, which I also have to clean in the mornings, which I will show you in a minute. And just like that, you can see the improvement. All of that filters through into there, which in turn filters back to over there. So I'm going to finish doing that and I'll catch up with you at the next part. Right, so now that's done, I'm about to go and do the filter. Now I've changed clothes here quickly because I'm going to get a little bit muddy here, so I don't want to wear anything even remotely nice. So this is the filter. So you make sure it's switched off. Then you need to release the pressure here. You can see how muddy all of the water in there is. That's just from what we've been vacuuming. So when it's stopped doing stuff, you need to take this bit off. See if I can put my camera somewhere, shall we? So hopefully you can see okay from there. Need to release this. And that's the filter inside. Oh boy, that's some dirty water. You then release the water at the bottom. And then struggle to get this out. Okay, this is where it gets fun, because now I've actually got to clean the filter. So this is it before. And all this is cardboard. So you get the hose, turn it on, And voila! It's a very complicated process. And you can start to see the colour that the filter is meant to be. So as you can see, that is what it's meant to look like. More or less, anyway. All I've got to do now is put that back into the filter, switch it all back on again, and it will start whirring, and I do that twice a day, and I've been doing it for the last 3 days, and hopefully, within about a week or so, I should be able to go swimming. Fingers crossed. Catch you later.